Here we come. This is Big Bazaar at the tarmac of Margaret Airport International Airport. We are going to Lagos. Lagos. Here we come. Goodbye, Calabar. It was a wonderful experience here in Calabar. Yeah. Hey, bro, now they carry the scenario and we play them well. 0-0-1-1. East side. Play east side, yes. I will play them a wonderful game. And we are coming back. Let them No. Let them come back to Lagos. We must press them. We must press them and play them a wonderful match. We enjoy Calabar. So it's a wonderful trip. Goodbye. Woo! Here's my seat.
Nice your body.
I lost it.
We spent a whole lot of money, but we enjoy much more than we spent.
Yes.
So what is called is trip well spent. You understand? I know we are looking forward to come back again, as well as the Calabar. They are looking forward to see us again.
The hospitality was wonderful, and we are about going back, and we are regretting that we're going back because we're so happy. Like we feel like going back to the hotel to start from the beginning.
I talk I Alpha that nine was number one club in the whole Lagos state.
I believe the motive and the emotion for suggesting to come to Calabar has been fulfilled.
In fact, as a matter of fact, Lagos shortens someone's lifespan. So that was why we needed to move away from Lagos, stay a while, bond among ourselves, unwind, so that when we come back, we'll become a better club.
Calabar is wonderful. I used to hear that Calabar is good. I have come and seen. Truly, Calabar is good. It's a good city and well organized people.
Yeah, I'll come back with my family. It's a good place to stay. Definitely. For the carnival, we'll be there. Live and direct.
Yeah, that was in Africa country. After a country, next to America. No.
Right.
Let's go to Africa. All Africa. The thing I have to say is that it's always good to make yourself happy. So whatever you can do to make yourself happy, try and do it. But this is our little vacation has added more life to our lives, and we are all happy going back to Lagos.
Calabar. We are grateful to them for a wonderful host. It was a great memory for all of us. A great memory that can never be forgotten.
came from Lagos State with chartered airpiece, and now we are still going back with what? Chartered airpiece. This is a Billionaires Club. This is fitness club of all standards of it. What happened in Calabar? Let me gist you. In Calabar, we shut down Transcorp. In Calabar, we shut down Wakis, Calabar Wakis. In Calabar, we shut down the Marina Resorts. In Calabar, we shut down the E3 restaurant. In Calabar, we played 2 matches. They are draw. Play very well. We draw them. So we are going very, very happy. So what are we doing in Calabar? In Calabar, we shut down Calabar. So we are going home. This is the president of Amod of General Fitness, and we are here at the tarmac of Margaret Ekpo International Airport, Calabar. So, President, we came here since Friday, and we are going to be Monday. Can you tell us about the experience in Calabar?
It was wonderful, very wonderful experience. We have 3 days holidays. We played 2 matches, and we did not lose our matches. And when we are coming, most of these Calabar people, they thought that don't mind these guys from Lagos. They are big men, they eat too much food, they cannot play football. And when we came here, they can't win us. So the referees are against us. They were trying to win us by all means, but we tried to hold them on. We have 0-0 and 1-1 draw. Something we are doing now. We are going back to Lagos. We are so thankful to God because our trip is very successful. Everything went well. The food, the drink, and everything went fine. We played football injury-free. So we thank God for the successful trip. And we are looking forward to coming back to Calabar again. And now we are having a plan of going to Kenya from here to have holidays for ourselves. And we appreciate every member of this club, all the members, for their support for this trip. We thank you very much for you, for a very wonderful work. Goza! Goza! Goza!
Thank you.
Calabar ma ole to ka njem na dị mma sị ka edekwa ọzọ. Na my own capacity enwe m ike isi ga bodo onye ọrụ dobe gị sisoro m. Obodo ụtọ ni lata ana manọ Calabar. Ị na-anụ afịa ka ọ na-adị che na ezigbo ya da n'obodo amaka.
Amo
Fitness.
Amo
Fitness.
Amo Odofe.
Yeah, fitness.
Udodi.
Yourself time and live a kind of a holiday because we Nigerians is precisely winnables. We don't know the essence of holiday once feeling yourself in the trip. So, but I'm out of the fitness as from those things. I just want to reality that many of us that don't know the essence of going for holiday or going for a trip have now learned to really enjoy themselves and everybody feels sense of belonging.
This is Lagos, and we are back to Lagos. Yeah, we are back. We are back to Lagos after spending the weekend in Calabar.
Thank you, Jesus, for
And
bringing
we
us back.
thank God for the journey mercy.
Yeah,
For safe landing.
yeah.
So this is Amod of General Fitness, and we are so happy. And we are back. Aya Batago.
Yeah, we are back, we are back, we are back, we are back.
Aya Batago live. We are back to Lagos. We thank God for journey mercy. Everybody is here.
Goza! Calabar mo na ebe alo. Lagos mo kuna ya batago ni.
Aya Batago n'obodo. We thank God for journey mercy.